Hey everyone, we're Mesha and Malik.
And this is To Love and Adventure, our little corner of the internet where we document the journeys that shape us.
And today we're so excited to share something special. We've officially hit over 1,000 subscribers and we're now eligible for monetization. We started this channel back in 2023 with a simple goal: step out of our comfort zone, chase new experiences, and check off at least one bucket list item every year.
But more than that, we wanted to share those moments with people like you, people who love to travel, who love family, laughter, and living life to the fullest. Honestly, we're blown away. What started with a few videos and a big dream has grown into a community, and that means everything to us.
Your support, every view, every comment, every thumbs up, it's what keeps us going. Seriously, we notice it all and we appreciate every single one of you.
We filmed on cruise ships, explored beach towns, shared laughter with family, and even included the bloopers, because that's part of the real story too.
And this milestone, it's not just about the numbers. It's about building something with heart. It's about you being a part of this ride with us.
So from the bottom of our hearts, thank you. Thank you for tuning in, for subscribing, and for believing in this adventure.
We've got so much more coming. New destinations, more behind the scenes, deeper stories, and of course, more love and laughter.
If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you don't miss what's next.
Here's to the next chapter and many more memories to come. We're just getting started. Thanks for being a part of this journey.
And welcome to the family.
Of Mesha and Malik.
Hearts wide open, just enjoy the ride.